Welcome to Scanning an Active Directory. You can add an Active Directory domain, or AD domain, and assign a Windows endpoint agent to scan it for misconfigurations and vulnerabilities in identities. An endpoint agent continuously scans and monitors the endpoints and AD domain in real time for secrets, local misconfigurations, and other sensitive data that might be targeted by adversaries. Benefits of endpoint agents include continuously monitoring the AD domain to check for identity-based attacks, and triggering an AD scan that uses LDAP to communicate with the AD domain to identify misconfigurations and vulnerabilities. You can schedule the frequency in which an endpoint agent scans the AD domain. This is the Active Directory Posture tab. To get here in the ITDR admin portal, click ITDR, Manage, then Active Directory Posture. On this page, you can set up a new scan, see a list of AD domains that have scans scheduled, see the current state and status of the scan, edit, delete, or trigger an on-demand scan on an AD domain, enable or disable the change detection for an AD domain, go to the Endpoint Credential Exposure tab, go to the Threat Detection tab, go to the Okta tab, and go to the Entra ID tab. To add a new scan, click Setup New Scan. Select an AD domain from the drop-down menu, then click Next. Select a Windows endpoint agent, then click Next. Choose a scan frequency. You can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Click Next. Finally, select a scan time, then click Finish Setup. Your AD domain with its scheduled scan appears in the list of AD domains. To recap, you can add an Active Directory domain and assign a Windows endpoint agent to scan it for identity misconfigurations and vulnerabilities. To add and edit scans for Active Directory domains, go to the Active Directory Posture tab in the ITDR admin portal.